Hello everyone, it's your girl Linda Sims and I am here to present the line dance October Groove. It is a one wall dance. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, I'll post it at the very end. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Guys, let's mess it up. So line dancing and myself presents a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, and we are personally inviting you to the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here you go, October Groove. Let's go. So, I'm going to do this part on this wall, and then I'm going to move it to this wall. So just for this part right here, your weight is going to start on the left. So you're going to slide to your right, slide, tap, and then shuffle up left. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we just alternate. Slide to the right, tap left, and shuffle left. Left, right, left. So my weight is on the left, then I'm going to weave, forward weave, front and back and front and tap, okay? So I slide to the right, my weight is on my left, slide right, tap on the left, shuffle left, left, right, left, my weight is on the left, I do a forward and back weave, front and back and front and tap. From here, tap on my right, I'm going to do a heel toe right here, just forward and back. Heel, toe, and toe. Shifting your weight. Heel and toe and heel and toe. When you do that last toe, drop that heel down and rock back. Left, right, left, tap. And that's part 1. Okay? So again, I did heel, toe, rock. Left, right, left, tap. And you do it again. So let's put it together. Slide to the right. 1, 2, shuffle up left. 3 and 4. Forward and back weave. 5 and 6 and 7, tap 8. Up and back. Heel toe. 1 and 2 and 3, step 4. Back on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here at 8. Then we do it again. So part 1, you're going to do it twice. Slide right, 1, 2, shuffle left, 3 and 4, weave to the left, 5 and 6 and 7, tap 8, heel and toe, 1 and 2 and 3, drop 4, back on the left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, I'm going to go on to part 2. So I'm going to rock, recover. Rock, recover, tap, tap. Full turn with the right shoulder coming forward. And you go cross, tap, cross, step, lock, step, tap. That's what I'm going to teach you next. So what I did, I rock back, I recover, do a full turn, right, and I paddle around. My weight is on my left. So I rock back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, lock, 3, and 4. Okay? So what did I do? I did a rock back, a recover, paddle, full turn. Weight is on the left, I cross, tap, cross, step on my left, I lock, step back, right, left, tap. Okay, so now, let's just put that together, and then I'm going to take you to a new wall, because I'm going to do a half turn, and I don't want you to have to look back at the camera, okay? So, let's put it together. Start with the slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, weave 5 and 6 and 7, tap 8, up and back, 1, 2, 3, back, rock back left, 5, 6, 7, 8, do it again, slide, 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, weave 5 and 6 and 7, tap 8, up and back, 1, 2, 3, 4, rock, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, recover, 1, 2, paddle, 3, 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 step, 2, lock, 3, and 4. So that lock step comes back, okay? I'm still at this wall. Now, for the sake, I need to do a half turn. So now I'm going to turn my wall here. So I did cross, tap, cross, with cross step, cross, step, cross, step, cross, step, lock, step, back, okay? From here, 3 and 4, I'm going to rock, recover, and then I'm going to do a paddle, doing a half turn. So remember, when I rock back and recover and paddle forward doing a full turn, this time I'm going to do a half turn. So when I lock step back, 3, 4, I'm going to rock 5, 6, paddle 7, 8, and I'm doing a half turn. Okay? From here, I'm going to cross. And when I go paddle, on that 8, my right heel is out. And I'm going into a right basic. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So I move forward. So my heel is out. I cross, right, left, left, right, left, up, right, left, right. And when I move forward, my last step is on my right. Okay, now let's go back to the top from this wall. And it's all going to come together. So slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. Weave 5 and 6 and 7. Tap 8. Other bit back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. Weave 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Up and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right back, recover, paddle 2, full turn, cross, cross, step, cross, step, cross, step, lock, step, tap, rock, recover, paddle. Half turn, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. That's what we do. We're going to do it again. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Weave 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Left back. 5, 6, 7, together. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Up 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, full turn. 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, lock 3 and half 4, rock 5, 6, half 7, out 8, cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So I'll pause on 7, 5 and 6, pause 7, 8. Okay, from here, so I went up, right, left, right, pause, out 8. So I'm going to cross again, up basic on the left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So what did I do? So when I went up, right, left, right, pause, out 8, which is out on the left. So now I cross. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, tap, came back, left, right, tap, easy, half, left, right. So I go out 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, tap 6, 7, 8. So left shoulder come back, easy, left, tap right. That's the inner thing. Okay, then you start over with the slide. So let's put it all together. And then a part of the song, you're going to do only part one, and I'm going to show you that. So it is just what I taught you. You're going to do that on 3 rotations. After that, you're going to do part one, front and back wall, and I'm going to teach you after we go through the whole entire part, right? Here we go. 5, 6 from the top. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Weave. 5, then 6 and 7, 8. Heel toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide again. 1, 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. Weave. 5, then 6 and 7. Tap 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover. Full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 step. 2 lock. 3 tap. 4 rock. 5, 6 half. 7 out. 8. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Up. 5 and 6. 7 out. 8. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7. I'm sorry. I'm gonna cross again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 half. 6, 7, 8. So hit. Let me go over that again. So I ran up, right, left, pole, out 8 on the left, then I cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 tap, 6, 7, 8. So easy with your left shoulder coming back, half turn, 7 tap 8. On 8, my heel is up and you go into that slide. So that's the dance. So you repeat that. When you turn back, left, right, start the dance over. Remember, when you come out here, you go left, right, left, right, left, right, tap, left, right. Okay? Now, so you do that for 3 rotations. Now, the music changes, you're going to feel it. So, here's what you're going to do for the rest of the song. You slide. So, what I'm going to teach you is the same step. You're just going to do it at front and back wall. So don't get nervous because you know the step already. So here comes the change. After you do the 3 complete rotations, coming back to this wall 3 times, repeating the dance over. The 4th time, this is what you're going to do. Slide. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Weave 5, then 6 and 7, tap 8. Heel toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your change. 5, 6, 7, 8. You saw that? Instead of just rocking in place for 4, you go left, right, tap right. Once you've done that, my right heel is up. I'm going to do the dance again. Sliding. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Weave 5, then 6 and 7, tap 8. Heel toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So I went left, right. You basically go into your front and back wall on that rock. You rock left, right, then turn. With the left shoulder coming back, left, tap on your right. Then do it again. 1, tap 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Weave 5, then 6 and 7, tap 8. Up and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Then you do it again. That's all you're going to do for the rest of the song. That's Saturday Groove. So that October London, he's bringing back a lot of Marvin Gaye music and putting it to a new groove. So the music is beautiful. Kudos to Penny Pearl for her music selection and the steps. So check it out. Let me know what you think, guys. Also, I'll post the instructional. Please check out the NOLA Southern Experience. When you go to our website, guys, we spell everything out to you. We would love to have you in New Orleans. If you have any questions, please contact me by my email, and you'll see that on our website, or you already know my telephone number. So my name is Linda Sims. That is October Groove. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you the next time.